How to delete a post on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the TikTok application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. After logging into your account, you can see different TikToks, applications and different profiles that you follow over here. Now all you have to do is just go to the profile option over here at the bottom right, and as you tap on your profile, it will lead you to your profile page where you can see your post. Now in order to delete a post, select the post that you want to delete. So just tap on the post, and after tapping on the post, it will open up the required post, and then you just have to tap on the three dotted lines over here at the menu bar. And as you tap on that, you can see different menus or options over here. You just have to swipe it to the left, and at the very end you can see the option of delete. So tap on delete and then tap on delete again, and there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.